Hey guys, this is Leah with Scott Leroy Marketing. In today's tip video, I'm going to show you a new feature that has launched in your KW Command account, and that is how to add a video widget to a landing page. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is log into Command at agent.kw.com. Okay, again, that's agent.kw.com to log into Command right away. And feel free to pause the video if you are needing to log in. All right, but once you access Command, we want to come on down to the Sites option. So on the very bottom left live option on the Command menu, you'll see Sites. And let's go ahead and select that option to navigate on over to the landing page section. Okay, it kind of looks like a little web page with a little person in a circle on the bottom. That's that icon here. And you'll notice if you hover your mouse over it, it'll pop up letting you know it's the site section right away. So to create a new landing page, we'll go ahead and click on Create a New Site on the very top right. So click Create a New Site. And you're given two options. First of all, you can add a new page to your existing KW Command website, or the second option is how to create a landing page. So you can create listing landing pages, lead capture landing pages, you name it. Okay, so this will be a standalone site that you can market and click Create Page. This is a really great way to capture leads. You can put these landing pages on your signs to promote a listing, on social media, promote that on Facebook or Twitter, you name it. All right, you can email those out. So I'll click on Create Page here. It'll take you to a blank landing page. So let's say I would like to make a landing page about my listing and include a video. Maybe I want to include a video on the neighborhood, or maybe the virtual tour would be a great thing to do. Okay, so first of all, I'll rename this. So let's name this 123 Command Rocks Drive. Okay, and the best way to create this landing page on the right-hand side, we'll see a bunch of widgets. Okay, so it's very easy to add widgets on over. So what you can do, for example, if I want to add a branded header, I can click on that, click and hold, pull that over, and you'll notice that green bar at the top letting me know where I'm laying that widget. So I'll go ahead and release my mouse, and that will lay the widget right away. So I can do the same thing for, let's say, this listing here. So I would like to promote my listing, so I'll grab the listing widget here, pull it to the left side, release my mouse, and it will add in the listing information. So the last thing I want to put in, and what we're going to focus on in today's tip video, is a video widget. Okay, so I can add in the virtual tour, let's say. You can even add that in above. All right, so I'm going to click and hold. And again, note where that green bar is. Right? That means I'm going to add that widget in that placement, or if I want to put it on the bottom of the page, I would need to toggle that. Okay, just pull that down and it'll add it on the bottom. Okay, so you'll note a couple things here. First of all, this is not any sort of video, and also this is not any listing information that pertains to you in your area. All right, so these widgets are just default that we're looking on now, but then we'll click on Configure Widgets on the very bottom right to actually put in the video here and make it about your listing specifically. So again, we'll have to go ahead and click on Configure Widgets on the very bottom right. You'll notice on the very top right as well, it gives you the Publish Page option, but that's grayed out at this moment. Okay, so you're not actually able to publish the page until you've configured the widgets at the bottom. Just a heads up on that. So I'll click on Configure Widgets, and that will pull up all the widgets that I have going. And in order to publish this, I need all of these check marks on the right-hand side to be green. So I'll start on the first one, so I'll click there. And it will prompt me to edit a few things, okay, depending on the widget. So header text here, that'll go right here. So let's say I want this to be proudly presenting 123 Main Street. Okay, whatever you'd like the text to be. All this information here, your headshot, name, logo, that all pulls from the Command Marketing profile, but you can edit that further here. Once you click Save and Apply, you'll notice it updates that here. All right, and I can move on to the next widget. Okay, so I can click on the arrow on the very top right to go to the next section. And that is where we are in the video widget. So what this tip video is on specifically. So let's go ahead and put in a headline here. So let's say this is the virtual tour. So if you would like to put in the virtual tour dash 123 Main Street, a description, let's say, take a walk through this beautiful custom home. Contact us today for a private showing. Okay, whatever you'd like the description to be, that goes on the bottom of the video right here. And then you have two options here. We can either use a video URL and upload a video. Okay, so you can select whichever you'd like to do. The video URL is typically easier, okay, if you have that video on YouTube or if you have a link to your virtual tour, that's the option you'll want to select. So let's say I have that on YouTube, okay, so I'm just going to pull this over. I do have this up on another screen here. So you'd pull up the YouTube video, okay, the virtual tour, wherever that might be, and I can just simply copy the URL at the top here, okay. So again, you can just go ahead and click on the very top, and you can right click to copy that, okay, for whatever video you'd like to put onto your landing page. And now we can come here and we can paste that in and click save and apply. Okay, so we're just copying the URL and pasting that in from YouTube, or if you have that on a virtual tour. Okay, I'll show you a preview of the video, and now I can see this is updated. Okay, and I can see my description here as well. So now I just need to toggle my third and final widget, and that is the listing information. So I'll browse the listing here, click select. I can then pick which photo from the MLS I'd like to display as the main image and click save and apply. Okay, and now I can see that listing photo right here. So if I'm pleased with it, I'll go ahead and click on the top left of listing here. I'll click on the back button to overview all of my widgets. I can see they all have green check marks here, so I'm good to go, and I can click done. Okay. So now I can go ahead and click publish page on the top right. You'll notice it's not grayed out anymore because I configured my widgets. So I'll click publish page if I'm ready for that. It's asking if I want this to be viewable to others. I'll click yes. Great. So here that is the new landing page I created. I can go ahead and click on this URL right here to open that up. All right, and there we are. We have our video right on the landing page, and I can see the listing information right from here. All right, guys. So that is how you can add the video widget to a landing page right away. If you have any questions on that, please feel free to email support@scottleroymarketing.com. We'd be happy to take you through that. Okay, but you can also edit these anytime in the future as well. Add more widgets, like if I want to add a contact form, that's a great thing to do. We can just do that by clicking on the three dots on the far right and clicking to edit that right away. All right, guys, let us know if you have questions. Have a great day.